Fees. They seem to follow you wherever you go.
Watch this. They just follow me.
You want to sign up for a credit card. Oh wait, let's not forget about the late fees, the interest fees, the overdraft fees. Did I mention the late fees? You open a bank account. Monthly fees, yearly fees, sign-up fees. You want to start investing. Awesome. Oh wait, let's not forget about all the fees that eat up into your money. Truth is, fees are everywhere, and unfortunately there's nothing you can do to avoid them unless you choose a place that doesn't charge any fees. I think one thing we can all agree on is although you can make crazy returns with crypto, the fees are right there next to it, and unfortunately there's not much you can do. Fees have become synonymous with crypto. You can say, I just bought $500 worth of Bitcoin, and right after someone will ask, how much did you pay in fees? So I wanted to take it for a test. Which crypto platform do you get the most bang for your buck? So this is what my little challenge is going to consist of. I'm going to take $150 and invest in 3 different crypto platforms and see which one I get the most
bang for my buck at.
So the 3 places I'm going to invest my money is one going to be Coinbase because that's everyone's go-to to buy crypto. The second is going to be Binance because that's been getting a lot of buzz lately and I know a lot of people use that. And number 3 is going to be Robinhood. For this challenge, I'm going to be buying Ethereum, and as I said, I'm going to be buying $150 worth. Now for this, I'm going to be looking at 3 different things. What price I ended up getting Ethereum at, how much Ethereum I ended up keeping, and the biggest thing, how much I ended up paying in fees. So let's head back in the studio and see which exchange gives you the most bang for your buck. Alright, so the first exchange I'm going to be using is Coinbase. I have the app pulled up over here, and as I said, I'm going to be buying $150 worth of Ethereum. So let's choose Ethereum. We're going to click over here. Currently it's trading at around $4,086, almost $4,100. I'm going to hit trade over here and click buy Ethereum. Now for this one, I'm going to be using my bank account because for all the other exchanges, I'm also going to be using my bank account because for the most part, bank account has lower fees than using your debit or credit card. So I just want to keep this as even for all my exchanges. So I'm going to be using my bank account. So this is my bank account over here. So I'm going to type in $150 worth of Ethereum. I'm going to hit preview buy. Now right away we can see that I get 0.03 worth of Ethereum. The Ethereum price when it was trading at 4,090 or 4,080 something, and the price I'm getting at is 4,115, which is a little higher than what it's trading at, but it's all right. My purchase is going to be $147.01 is how much I end up getting. The Coinbase fee, which is going to be $2.99, and $150 is what's going to be withdrawn from my bank account. So all I'm going to do is hit buy now, and this is going to do its thing. And now the order was submitted. If I click view my account, as we can see, I'm left with $146.43. Obviously the price is fluctuating, but I put in $150. If we look over here, I put in $150. The price of the coin that I went through at was 4,115. Coinbase took almost a $3 fee for using my bank account, and as I said, look, if we look over here, price per coin is 4,115. If we look at what Ethereum is trading at right now, it's 1,060, or I'm sorry, Ethereum is currently trading at 4,101. So I paid a $15 premium for the price of Ethereum, and I had to pay $3 fee for using Coinbase. So these were the fees I had to pay for Coinbase. I was left with 0.35725 Ethereum for my $150. So let's head on to Binance and see how much we end up paying for fees and how much we end up getting with $150 worth of Ethereum. All right, now I have Binance pulled up on my computer. I usually don't use it on my app, so I'm going to be showing you how I buy Ethereum on my computer. But let's see how much I end up paying in fees and how much Ethereum I end up getting for $150. So let's head over here. We're just going to go over here and click buy crypto, and we're going to be buying Ethereum. As I said, let's change this to $150, and we're going to be using the bank account to keep this synonymous. But let's hit over here and buy Ethereum. Now currently Ethereum, I have the other tab pulled up, it's trading at $4,146, and we're gonna get it for $4,166, so which is another like $10-20 premium. Binance is gonna take their 75-cent fee, and the purchase amount is gonna come out to $149.25, and after everything we're gonna be left with 0.03582 Ethereum. So let's hit confirm purchase and see how much after everything we end up keeping. All right, as we can see over here, the order ended up going through. This was the date and time. The amount I ended up getting was 0.3582 Ethereum. The price I got Ethereum was at 41.66. Total $150 is what I paid, and the fee was 75 cents, which was not bad. But this is how much Binance was. The only thing with Binance, it's a little tricky somewhat. For some reason, my bank account wasn't going through, so I had to try again multiple times. But I ended up getting it all to work. So sometimes it's a little tricky with Binance, but everything worked out. So the total fee came out to 0.75, and I was left with 0.3582 Ethereum. So now let's head on to Robinhood and see how much we end up getting for our $150 worth of Ethereum and how much we end up paying for fees. Alright, so I have Robinhood pulled up on my phone. Let's go over here and type in Ethereum and buy $150 worth. Currently on Robinhood, it's trading at around $4,120-ish. Also, the three exchanges that I just used, so it was Coinbase, Binance, and now Robinhood, I bought Ethereum all within like 5 minutes of each other. So it's not like I spent like a whole day apart. This is all really close. So currently, price just went down a little more. It's going to be $4,103. So we're going to go over here. I'm going to buy $150 worth of Ethereum, and currently the price, I'm going to do market order, which is going to be around 4,100. And for Robinhood, I'm going to be getting let's hit review order and see how much we end up getting. So I'm going to swipe up to submit. It's sending the order. Now I was able to get Ethereum at $4,113, and my quantity purchase, which was 0.036462, for a total cost of $150 with no fees whatsoever. If we go over into my position over here, we can see that it came in with my average cost and how much my equity is worth right now and my total return and everything. As you can see, as I said, it's 0.36462 on Robinhood. Alright, so I bought Ethereum on 3 different exchanges: Coinbase, Binance, and Robinhood. As you watch this video, I'm sure you've seen which one had the most fees and which one had little to none fees, and which one is probably the best when it comes to how much Ethereum you're getting and how much you pay in fees. But let me just go over exactly all the numbers. So on Coinbase, I paid $150, $3 of which went to Coinbase for their fee, and the price per coin was $4,115, and I was left with 0.35725 Ethereum. Now for Binance, same thing. I bought $150 worth of Ethereum. The price for Ethereum on Binance was $4,166, and Binance had a 75 cents fee. And on Robinhood, the same thing. I put $150 into Ethereum, and my average cost was $4,113, and the amount of Ethereum I received was 0.36462. And as I said, I bought Ethereum on the 3 exchanges within like 5 minutes of each other, so the price fluctuation shouldn't have been too much. But for Coinbase, the price per coin came out to $4,115. Robinhood, which came really close to it, which was $4,113. And for Binance, I don't know why the price was much higher, mainly because it's probably a real exchange and you can actually buy and sell, and they have different markets and stuff. The price is fluctuating a lot, but on Binance it was $4,166. Now if we compare Coinbase and Robinhood, both which had pretty similar prices, on Robinhood I was able to get 0.36462 Ethereum, and on Coinbase I was able to get 0.35725 Ethereum. Now, although the prices were pretty similar, Coinbase, they charged me a $3 fee just to buy this, and on Robinhood it was free. Alright, I think we all know we have a pretty clear winner. Robinhood by far takes the crown. Now, I knew you can buy crypto on Robinhood, but I didn't think it was at this level. The zero commission trades are a game changer. The thing is, those fees add up. You can easily be paying $3 to $5 every time you buy or sell crypto. And if you do that just 3 times a day, that's about $10 a day in fees and almost $300 a month in just fees alone, when that money could be sitting in your pocket. I also forgot to mention, with the other exchanges such as Coinbase and Binance, not only do you have fees when you buy a crypto, but you also have them when you sell it. Then you also have more fees when you go to withdraw it back into your bank account. Like I said, all those fees can add up. If I'm being honest, I've been investing in crypto for over 4 years now, and it hurts me to say this, but the other day I went through all my trades and looked at the fees, and I've paid almost $2,000 just in fees alone. Man, that really hurts. But that's why I'm making this video, so you guys don't have to. Nonetheless, Robinhood is a great beginner-friendly app for those of you that plan on investing crypto and actually want the most for your money. As I said, there will always be fees out there. You just have to find a place that doesn't charge them. I hope you guys were able to take something away from this video, maybe make a change or two when it comes to where you trade your crypto. Also, let me know down in the comment section below where you guys buy your crypto and how much you think you've paid in fees so far alone. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in next week's video. Peace.